Bahadian balapan inia katu kat Nepal bat Menteri Katanat Social Welfare ubak polling do ka chairperson ka Meghalaya State Commission for Women ka kong Pidalia toy kalarai ban pha ya ka chithi resign na ka Shuki kum ka klik ka commission. Hakas ngit hoding ka art phaulai tarik jaleu ar hajar phaulai ka kong Pidalia kala pharu ya ka jubab jongka syaka sarkar halor ka jingpan jubab ka sarkar persya ya ka jingdon kti jongka haka election bat kumju ka jingkano bakam jupoi tikna syaka Ialam. Hakajuk apor ka kong Pidalia ka ong Bahadian barisign kan pet ka ban le namar ba ka jingkano persya Menteri ka Social Welfare ya ka kalongkum ka jing penjak buram bat ka jing penan kam bakala ya ka bor.
I came to know of my removal from the press only. And after 2 press statements, I got a show cause notice from the government. So after that clarification from the board, he is still adamant to give that press statement, which is incorrect. So today I have sent the response to the show cause notice, and after some times I will tender my resignation. I don't want to work in a toxic atmosphere, because this friction will bring only an unconducive environment. And I think it is good for me to go for the progress of the Meghalaya State Commission for Women, and for the interest of the women community, I have to resign. But I will take a decision what to do after my consultation with my lawyers. Looking at what the minister had done, I think this is an abuse of power, and I take it as a discrimination, gender bias, and character assassination. So I will see what to do next.